Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create an item. You can create item for invoicing purpose. Item can be stock or service. If you need inventory, the item should be created as a stock item. How to create a new stock item. To begin, head to Items under the Masters tab. Now click on New Item. Choose Stock Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name, opening stock amount, unit price, unit type, etc. Now to save the item, click on Save Item. Your stock item is now created. How to create a new service item. Head to Items under the Masters tab. Now click on New Item. Choose Service Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name, item category, tax rate, etc. Now to save the item, click on Save Item. Your service item is now created. How to edit or delete an item. Now to edit the item, go to Items. Choose the item that you want to edit. Click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Item. And now to delete the item, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.